Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sunday and Thursdays. And today's unique recipe is tomato soup, which is thick and creamy and delicious. So let's get started because this is my favorite, all time favorite restaurant style tomato soup. Let us now have a look onto the ingredient list. Let's get started. So here I've taken a single bay leaf, one bay leaf, finely chopped potatoes, 1 cup, and instead you can also use corn flour around 2 tablespoons if you do not want to use potatoes. This is finely chopped red bell peppers, half onion sliced, chopped fine, and spring onions, finely chopped, half cup. I'm not adding any of the greens of the spring onions. These are finely chopped tomatoes, roughly around 4 to 5 tomatoes. This is Maggi cube, vegetable stock cubes, just one single would be used. Finely chopped garlic, around 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, crushed pepper, sugar 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, less spicy and just to add on to the rich color. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. And some rosemary and mixed herbs, around 1 tablespoon. Let us now have a look onto the crispy croutons. The ingredient list for the croutons are 3 to 4 slices of bread, milk bread. I've taken here some milk bread which adds to the texture, butter, around 2 tablespoons of butter will be used to make the croutons, water, around 250 ml of water, this is warm water, and 1 cube for the vegetable stock. For the ready vegetable stock, what I've used is just 1 Maggi cube. This is a stock cubes. You can also use chicken cubes, but this is vegetarian, so just using vegetarian. Vegetable cubes will be dissolved into the warm water. This is around 250 ml of warm water. Just keep it aside, let it dissolve by itself. To prepare the crispy croutons, all you need is to cook them for 10 minutes. The bread slices will be flipped every 2 minutes and you can prepare it on medium flame. Don't overcook them. For the soup, tomato soup, I'm just using a small size of butter. Half tablespoon of butter would be enough, or instead you can use olive oil. Now, in the same pan, we need to cook it for more 5 minutes and add the remaining ingredients. So let us welcome this winter. The restaurant style, rich and creamy tomato soup in your comfort zone. Enjoy! So if you liked and enjoyed my video, please hit onto the like button and do leave us your valuable comments under the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and staying connected with Dimple's and Arabian journey. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Do share this recipe with your friends and family, and please connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag #FloraNAroma. Thank you, stay connected, and don't forget to subscribe us.